Well, so far, we've told you about 3 grant recipients who received some of the net proceeds from the documentary Conquest of the Snake last year.
Yesterday, we spoke with the kindergarten teacher and principal at Lighthouse Christian School, and they tell us how lucky they were to have been chosen.
It was awesome. It was so exciting getting the grant to just help our school and to help our kids learn.
Alex Barker, who's a kindergarten teacher at Lighthouse Christian School, says the school decided to get science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, also known as STEM bins, for preschoolers up to 5th graders.
We went with STEM bins because it reaches our preschool all the way through 5th grade, and we were able to implement this in each grade, and it was affordable.
The school received a total of $2,828 in 2018 from writer and producer Andrew Vawser and Executive Director Jim Paxton.
So many of these organizations out there, there's so many great people trying to do great things, and it's sometimes it's hard to be able to achieve what you want to do to get the funds that are needed for that.
When asked how the kids have been reacting to these STEM bins, Barker says
they love them. They have so much fun using their hands and creating things, and they're excited to use them every day. They're excited to learn with them. It just makes learning a lot more fun.
And Principal Allison Hamilton agrees.